Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing something for more power for my little pony right here. She don't got much power yet, but just stay tuned and she will have some power. Woo! Anyway, before we get started, I want to set a like goal. I have not done that yet. It's not going to be crazy because I only have 56 subscribers, which I appreciate every single one of you. I'm going to go ahead and say 10 likes because that's a lot for me. And a lot of you guys watching this right now are probably like, oh my gosh, this guy's a loser. But hey, I accept that. Let's get 10 likes on this video where we're going to be installing this Trick Flow and BBK Throttle body on my Mustang. It's 70 millimeter versus the stock 65 millimeter for a little bit better flow. And also it's apparently a little smoother when it transitions into the intake manifold. So let's go ahead and get started with that. Alright guys, so moving under the hood over here, we just got 5 bolts that hold the actual throttle body on and a couple side bolts for the throttle linkage, the EGR and the IAT, and it's just 10 millimeter bolts and 8 millimeter bolts and 2 screws. So it's really easy to take this thing off, and so let's go ahead and just jump straight into it. Here's the factory throttle body. It's got a transition. It's got a transition over some of these, and with the new gaskets, and then we'll be ready to put the new one on. Just as easy as that. Woo!
I can't find my way back to you until you make amends with the demons you've been through. And I can't regret leaving you alone until you find your way back home. Find your way back home. Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown. Until you find your way back home. I can't regret leaving you alone until you find your way back home.
So we're in a pickle here. This tube for the EGR is kind of hitting this oil cap here. So we're gonna try to figure this out. Right now I'm just gonna try to see if I can get a little bit of room and just slide this on at the meantime. Just like that, and just like that, and just like that, and just like that, we're out of the pickle. Whenever you work on your cars, you always want to put something back, especially like hose clamps. It'll make it easier for you to get to in the future, because a lot of these things are in dumb spots. But if you're righteous, then you can figure that out for yourself and fix it for you. And just like that. Oops. For the final touch, I got this red paint marker, and we're just gonna go ahead and do trick flow in red right here. I did spray paint this black because it was kind of a gross gray before, but it's not perfect, but it definitely looks better than it did. So let's spice this up a little bit, shall we? Alright guys, moment of truth to make sure everything is working properly and we don't have any air leaks, and to see if she idles okay. She might be idling a little funky at first, but I think over time it'll fix itself with the computers and everything. So let's go ahead and start her up. Fingers crossed. run to see how she performs with the new throttle body. It's probably not going to be that much of a difference, but it definitely feels good and sounds good, so I don't think there's anything wrong with it. For future videos for this channel, I really do want to keep adding power to this car. It's just a price standpoint, you know, it costs a lot to do this stuff, so the support from you guys is the best thing I can get. Subscribe if you're new. Let me know of any upgrades that you guys might have in mind for this car that I can maybe get in the future. Obviously, we're not going to like twin turbo it, so don't say anything like that, but anything cool like that's within a reasonable price range. But we're on a good road right here, so we'll give it a whoa, a little bit of bumps there. Oh, a little bit of scraping with the coilovers too.
Now we're on the good road.
There we go. All right, let's see if there's any difference here. Probably gonna tire squeal.
I think that's a little pissed.
Huh? We're burning rubber out here, boys. That reminds me, I kind of want to get wider tires too. Wider tires will give you a definitely better acceleration. I mean, it's hard to tell when you got so much wheel spin, but from right there, it didn't feel too much different. But let's do a little bit of a roll instead of a dig. Let's get out of that.
I think that was 25 miles an hour. We're still okay.
I like it. I think I noticed a little bit of a difference. There's definitely a better throttle response for sure. Obviously, it wasn't going to increase a whole bunch of horsepower, but I think on the box for a 78 millimeter throttle body, it said like 12 to 15 horsepower, and this is a 70 millimeter. So I'd say probably, like, if I had to guess, 5 to 10 miles an hour, or not miles an hour, horsepower gain in the making of this video. No one was injured in the making of this video though. And Snap-on, please sponsor me. Alright guys, we're heading out of Mexico right now. On a real note though, thank you guys so much for the support on the channel, it means a lot. Like I said, let's see if we can hit 10 likes, guys. I know you can do it. 10 people, I just need 10 of you guys to smash that like button. Alright, I believe in you. Please subscribe if you're new. You guys have an awesome day, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.